Hello friends, today video I will bring to you new Chinese custom theme with an icon pack that features animated effects when exiting an app. It applies to most of the default apps on Hyperos. It comes with this set of transparent dynamic widgets. You can quickly toggle various connectivity features on your device. The status bar is compatible with Hyperos 2. It supports dark mode within the device settings. A colorful lock screen, double tap to change the clock style. More settings are available when you tap this icon. Depth effect, clock seconds. Let's install on your devices. First, if you want these transparent widgets, download the System Launcher backup file from the link in the video description. This only works for Xiaomi and Redmi devices using the System Launcher. It does not apply to devices using the Poco Launcher. Then, download the theme backup file and restore it. You'll see these themes available. Start applying each component one by one. Next is the status bar. Select this theme to apply it. Next, apply the icon pack. This theme comes with an icon pack featuring animated effects. Now you have this theme applied on your device, and you can choose from the transparent widgets to place on your home screen. The app animations are smooth, and once the theme is applied, it feels light and responsive with no lag during interactions. The changes also apply to the volume bar. The default lock screen allows you to quickly switch clock styles, but to change the wallpaper, you'll need to go through a few extra steps. To change the lock screen wallpaper, follow these steps. Turn off the depth effect to display the full lock screen wallpaper. To return to the theme's default lock screen, select the first option. Of course, this is just a personalized customization style. You can still use each theme individually without combining them. You can also switch the icon pack to this theme to enable dark mode icons. How you use and customize themes is entirely up to your personal style. I hope you enjoy the trio of themes featured in this video. All themes include one backup file in video description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.